Hello students. Now in a stable multivibrator circuit, the external capacitor C charges through total resistance R1 plus R2. Therefore, the charging time of the capacitor for which the capacitor charges up to two-third VCC. Two-third VCC, that is the time required for the external capacitor C to charge up to two-third VCC. It is called as charging time of the capacitor. So this charging time of the capacitor depends upon the value of R1, value of R2 and value of C. So this charging time is given by the equation T1 is equal to 0.7 R1 plus R2 into C. T1 is equal to 0.7 R1 plus R2 into C. Because R1 and R2 are connected in series, therefore R1 plus R2. The capacitor C charges through the total resistance R1 plus R2. Therefore T1 is equal to 0.7 R1 plus R2 into C. Now when the capacitor C charges up to two-third VCC, then the internal discharge transistor is turned on, it saturates, and then the capacitor discharges through that internal discharge transistor. So this discharging time of the capacitor is given by the equation T2 is equal to 0.7 R2 into C. 0.7 R2 into C. Because the external capacitor C discharges only through R2 and through the internal discharge transistor. Therefore, the equation is T2 is equal to 0.7 R2 into C. And the total time T is equal to 0.7 that is total time T is given by T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2, that is 0.7 R1 plus twice R2 into C. R1 plus twice R2, 0.7 in bracket R1 plus twice R2 into C. And the frequency of oscillations, output frequency F is equal to 1 upon T, total time T, that is F is equal to 1.44 divided by R1 plus twice R2 into C. The frequency of oscillations, output frequency of a stable multivibrator is given by the equation F is equal to 1.44 divided by R1 plus twice R2 into C. Okay, and the duty cycle D is equal to R1 plus R2 divided by R1 plus twice R2 into 100 into 100. R1 plus R2 divided by R1 plus twice R2 into 100. This is the theoretical equation of duty cycle, and practically the duty cycle can be calculated by using the equation D is equal to W upon T into 100, where W means it is the pulse width, that is the T on or charging time. This is the W, or it is pulse width of the frequency. W upon total time T into 100. W upon T. W means it is T on or charging time of the capacitor. So suppose this is the output frequency of a stable multivibrator. Then this is the total time T. This is total time T, and this is T1 and this is T2. So total time T is equal to T1 plus T2, and T1 means it is the charging time of the capacitor. Means for this duration of the charging, the output remains high. So this is T1. So T1 is the charging time of the capacitor, and T2 is the discharging time of the capacitor. So it is also called as T on, and this is also called as T off. T on means charging time of the capacitor T1, and T off means it is discharging time of the capacitor, and total time T is equal to T1 plus T2, total time T, and F is equal to 1 upon T, frequency. Practically the frequency can be calculated by using this equation. F is equal to 1 by T or 1 upon T, where T is equal to T1 plus T2. T1 is the charging time of capacitor or T on, and T2 is the discharging time of capacitor, that is T off. So duty cycle can also be written as D is equal to T on divided by T on plus T off. T on divided by T on plus T off into 100. So by using this equation, duty cycle can be calculated. So these are the important formulae to calculate the frequency and duty cycle. Also, this is the charging time of capacitor. T2 is the discharging time of the capacitor, and frequency F is equal to 1 upon 1.44 divided by R1 plus twice R2 into C. Okay, so these are the important formulae. Now take one example. Take one example. In a IC 555, monostable multivibrator, in IC 555 used here as monostable multivibrator, a resistance R is given by R is equal to 50 kilo ohm, and it is connected with the capacitor of 100 microfarad. Then find its time delay. Time delay means T. So T is equal to, in monostable multivibrator, T is equal to 1.1 R into C. T is equal to 1.1 R into C. Here given R is equal to 50 kilo ohm and C is equal to 100 microfarad. So the resistance is in kilo ohm. It should be converted into ohms. So 1.1 into 50 into 10 raised to 3 ohms. This is 50 kilo ohm is in kilo ohms. So convert this kilo ohm into ohms. So 50 into 10 raised to 3 ohms into C is 100 microfarad, and 100 microfarad means 100 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad. Capacitance is given in microfarad, so it should be converted into farad. So 100 into 10 raised to minus 6, and this becomes 1.1 into 5 into 10 raised to 6. 5 into 10 raised to 6, because here there is 1 0, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. There are total 6 zeros. 2 plus 3 plus 4, 1. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So 10 raised to 6 and into 10 raised to minus 6. That is 1.1 into 5 into 1. 10 raised to 0, that is 1. So 5.5 seconds. 5.5 seconds. Okay. So this is the example of a stable monostable multivibrator. The monostable multivibrator, time delay T is given by the equation. T is equal to 1.1 RC. Here R is equal to 50 kilo ohm. C is equal to 100 microfarad. First convert resistor kilo ohm into ohms and microfarad into farads. So this is the one example. Now second example, astable multivibrator. Okay, in an astable multivibrator, See the example. In an astable multivibrator is connected with the following components: RA means R1, RA means R1. So RA is equal to 10 kilo ohm. RA is equal to 10 kilo ohm. RB is equal to 2.2 kilo ohm. 2.2 kilo ohm. And C is equal to 100 microfarad. C is equal to 100 microfarad. Find the frequency of its square wave. Find the frequency F. Find the frequency of the square wave output and duty cycle. So in an astable multivibrator, RA means R1 and RB means R2. See here, RA means R1 and RB means R2. Okay, so what is the formula for frequency? F is equal to 1.44 divided by RA plus twice RB into C. This is the formula for frequency. F is equal to 1.44 divided by RA plus 2RB into C. Okay, this is the formula for frequency. F is equal to 1.44 divided by RA plus 2RB into C. Okay, now here RA is equal to 10 kilo ohm. Convert it into ohms, that is 10 raised to 4 ohms. 10 kilo ohm is 10 raised to 4 ohms. So F is equal to 1.4 divided by 10k, 1.44 divided by 10k plus RB is a 2.2 kilo ohm into 2, that is 4.4k kilo ohms into C, 100 microfarad means 100 into 10 raised to minus 6. 100 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay. So 1.44 divided by take 10 raised to 3 common here. So 10 plus 10 raised to 3 in bracket 10 plus 4.4 means 14.4. Here kilo ohm, K means 10 raised to 3. So taking 10 raised to 3 common, 10 raised to 3 in bracket 10 plus 4.4, 14.4 into again 100 means 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, so here 3 plus 2, 5, that is 1.44 F is equal to 1.44 divided by 14.4 into 14.4 into 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to, because 3 plus 2, 5, minus 6 plus 5, 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, so again for 14.4 into 10 raised to minus 10, 10 raised to minus 10 means 1 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 means that is 14.4 divided by 10. Okay, so 1.44 divided by again 1.44. This point here comes here, so 1.44, that is 1 hertz. 1 hertz. F is equal to 1 hertz. Okay, this is the answer, 1 hertz. Correct. F is equal to 1 hertz. This is the frequency. Okay, now calculate duty cycle. we will stop here. We will stop here. Okay.